Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu saw a brocade robe selling in the bazaar. He took it and brought it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, buy it and don it as an adornment for Eid and delegates. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is a garment for him who has no share in the hereafter. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu stayed there as long as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then sent him a dibaj robe. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu took it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you said it is the garment of him who has no share in the hereafter, but later you sent the same to me. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you should sell it and fulfill your needs thereof. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5371.